Mama, are you put this on this in a? Jonathan, you going to drink your cereal now?
You can't eat now until you start the again. When you start the again, you know how to eat. And that's why I get up in your stomach.
I'm going to drink him tea first.
When you make him tea, relax. Jalil, stop that and eat. That's not the cup now. You love use that. No.
Don't move it like that, girl.
Go on that table, you know.
I'm going to the room, I'm going to film.
So you said you make tea with Jonathan?
Yeah. Here, Jonah. You just make tea for your ear. You have to drink it here, Pop. I'm going to give you cough medicine, Angela.
You have to go carry it home with you.
You feel sick? You feel sick and sad? Oh my goodness. I'm going to have...
What is this for?
It's my mirror. Remember what is this for? You know what mirror for? Look up, boy. You think you're easy?
Oh, hi.
Sir. Yes, Papi? That me I talk about people ain't forget bus. Right, that's my boy. Okay, so I'm gonna have that out. Okay. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. I'm going to brush my hair. Bigger? Alright. You sure? Alrighty. Alright. There you go. You get that mirror on there. Okay. You're done?
Yeah.
Thank God. I mean, woo! I think we should kiss. I think we should kiss. I think we should kiss. I think we should kiss Jalil. Jalil, I think we should kiss. I love you. You're what? Yeah. Jalil, get up. I'm done set up. What happened? Them kill ya? Muchi and Daniel kill ya? And DeAndre. Oh, I forgot to talk today. Tell her to shut up. Muchi, Daniel, and DeAndre. First of all, them kill him. No, first of all, them kill him. That's how one that the young man said. Him said to shut up.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know why I'm saying that. So yes, apparently my son not beat him up
today. I'll beat him up.
Jonathan gonna beat him up for you, okay? Thank you, Jonathan.
Thank you, Jonathan.
Yeah? Coming. Jaleel, you're going to finish your cereal here? Okay. I know you probably don't want it, Jal, but you have to eat it.
Yes. Open nothing. Mama, toes. Mama, toes.
Jaleel, if you make anything you say drop it, see? Come here, try to set up in our way with. Jaleel, what you doing? Stop now.
Oh, that's something.
Like rubbish charges, select it and run it on your place. Now tell you that not all. Boy, you with it in your hand, man, I tell you that not all. Boy, you with it in your hand, yeah. Select it and roll in your place. Fun up the picture paste that not difficult. Easy for we. And you tell you that not hard. Oh, you want it in your hand. Man, I tell you that not hard. Oh, you want it in your hand. So we start watch me put Jolly because Jolly love monster stuff. Him love monsters. I feel so good that I'm vlogging today and I have a full vlog ready for you guys, like I did in the life of vlog. That's when I wore the army stuff. Fun fact, I don't have enough clothes at all, and to be honest, I kind of feel awkward wearing the same clothes over and over and over. But remember, it's just a lifestyle, you know. Or wash your wear clothes unless you have a lot. Obviously, you can, you know, go back and forth, but I don't. So I just switch up my clothing a lot, and I feel like that is in times like that where you kind of have to make do. That is where we find out the uses for things. That's how we find out that turmeric can clear up our skin. That's how we find out that when we make certain stuff, like shit happens. Because when your back is against the wall, bro, I'm telling you, it births billionaires. I'm telling you, there's something that happens, especially for a woman. Because the tenacity of a woman and of a man is different, you know. For a man, it comes easy because he is naturally authoritative. That makes sense? So he's like a natural authority. He's like that kind of figure. I hope that makes sense and nobody's being offended. I hope I can see beyond the offense that they've taught us to receive. To see beyond the offense. So that's natural for them. A woman, we're different. And we work so well in tandem, in unison, when you found your partner or your equally yoked. So I ain't gonna trip, bruh. Yeah, so I'm going to see him. I'm going to make him watch Monster Island. The only thing is with these cartoons, because I don't know them, I don't know what them are going to say. I don't know if them are going to have some 16. So, but the good thing is, if that comes up, I can address it, correct it, and then let them know why they can watch it again. So whenever children them happen upon something, don't blame the child. Because me could have tell Jolly, I'm not going to ever make him watch no dopey nothing. I'm not gonna make him watch no monster, not no vampire, nothing, but he enjoys that kind of programming. So because he does, I think differently again as an untraditional parent. I'm thinking, oh, maybe he's going to go into film and photography or writing. Can you imagine at that age cultivating those beautiful plots? And you guys know how I am. I don't even know, but I'm like a movie junkie, like understanding plots and like character development. I love that. There's a reason I studied drama when I was in high school. I can put the camera, the phone right there. But how against? What's against for my mirror to sit behind? Because right now I can put you guys up here to film from or in here. But I don't know how I'm gonna see behind. I think I prefer it this way. Alright. I'm going to put you guys right here and then put a mirror, angle a mirror there, angle it up so I can see. So here is my setup. My little film setup. So you guys are going to be here and then I'll be able to see you guys back there. So that's what I do. So I'm going to, hopefully it's not too noisy, but I'm going to put you guys in. Let's move this. It's such a good angle. Let me fix my drawers because, you know, I mean, fun fact, this may be TMI. I mean, who am I kidding? It's TMI. Oh, my audio may be bad because it's in here. I'll know in post. But I only wear underwear when I Jalili say I got bunks that. And that's gonna be my issue now, you know. And that's gonna be my issue now. Cause the glass the up here so where you can bounce and broke. And then now this yes, Jalili can't come nowhere yes, so. You can't come nowhere yes, Jalili. Oh, when it's that low, I can't see. So I'm going to put this down lower. This setup is a chef's kiss. I just want, it's a chest of drawer. I just don't know how this can look on camera. Let me see if I can fit in here. It's a monster. You scared? Jalila, how are you scared and you're a monster guy? Bruh, there's no way you're scared. It's a zombie. It's a zombie in there. I don't want to watch a zombie. Yes, okay. Scary, alright. Swear to God, grandma got drawing me off with food. 4. I've been doing 2 sliced breads for as long as I can remember. 4. And of course it's coffee. Coffee's a must. And yesterday at Jacana, bro, Nick made me a coffee. I said, Dad, oh, you know, someone like my coffee strong. No, strong coffee now. Fall to me, yeah. I'll never know how much it costs to see my sins upon the cross. And I will never know how much it costs to see my sins upon the cross. Here I am to worship. Here I am to bow down. Here I am to say that you're my God. You're all together. Jal, you're defecating. You finished defecating? Alright, my soup come. Who wipe your bottom? Alright. Come, let me double check. Come to me. Come now, stop skinning from over there, sir. Yeah. Turn around. Check. Sit down, wipe good. Come to me now. Come. Bend down. Bend down. Bend down. Yeah, but your bottom don't wipe properly, Jalil. You don't wipe it properly. Go. I'm all done, you guys, with this look. I have Jonathan, where you put on back him shoes? Take up the slipper slippers for me. No. No slippers in the house because they love to go on the bed legs. So I did this hair up tutorial which I made up on the fly. And this is typically how I usually do my hair up tutorials. Oh gosh, there's makeup. I didn't even recognize. I took a bunch of pictures. I'm going to have to... This is such a cute like head wrap. It's so cute. Oh my god, and it's just boom, you know? Oh, what's this? Oh, alright. You're glad to see a great grandson there. Like how I have on my makeup and I'm feeling hella cute right now. Do not forget Latoya's co-written book, From Scars to Stars. I'll link that now in the description. What had happened was that vlog went live, and I remember the night before, remember to put the thing in the description. I bet I remember. Woke up, vlog went live. I'm like, oh my gosh, I forgot. So I'm going to put it in the description right now. She co-wrote it, which means there are other stories in the book, but I know her personally and I am familiar with her story. What I know, I have not read it. I already know her story, and I don't think she told me what it was about, so I don't think I want to share. As I always said, when I talk about them something, me will talk about myself, but when it comes down to my friend them and anything that is similar or whatever, that's your story to tell if you so choose to, and she has chosen to. So I'm going to leave that link in the description bar for you guys, as well as, yes, so I got the tracking for the belts. The belts are on their way to Jamaica, but Jamaica Customs out here has been dealing with some bunch of crap for about a month now. So we're praying and we're believing that when they get here, they can get to me. We'll pay customs, we'll clear them, and they'll be yours. So when will this vlog go up? This vlog will go up in next week, probably the 16th or the 17th. So I am opening up pre-orders again, because now they're coming, they're on the way here. So I'm like, whew, I can have like a peace of mind. So in the description below, again, I'm going to link to Spur Open. That's where we host the brushes. And let me tell you as well why is Spur Open, because you guys know I had my own website. I had POMIFITNESS.com and LyricRochester.com. I built my own website, POMIFITNESS.com. It's gone now. I hear a porn site has it, but I lost the name. I lost a lot of things over these couple of years. So again, with me and this season of redoing and do over, I now have the opportunity to link with Spur, and this is not even sponsored by Spur, but I found out about them through Auntie Nadine Blair from Love 101. I found out about Spur through Auntie Nadine Wendell. Come on, know Wendell. She say, yo, link up Wendell, because Wendell a Spur. I'm going to say, alright, then fine. And I don't pay any money at all. The only money I pay is profit when I make a sale on the website. So if you're an entrepreneur and you have products but you can't afford a website, you can't afford a website developer, or you're not able to build your own website, like I'm able to build my own website, yes, I can build my own website. So in this do-over period, I'm taking advantage of everything that I can take advantage of, and having Spur, it cuts out the middleman greatly. I don't have to be fiddling. I don't have to be spending 1 week to build a website. You see me? So this is the absolute free of freest. And the customer service is absolutely amazing because it's a small business, so they get back to you. And yes, so this video is not sponsored, but because of Spur, I can now I can collect payments on my website, on their website, in both Jamaican currency and US currency. The belts are $55. They were $65. And I would have made a killing with $65, even though it's just $10 difference, but I'm removing $10, so it's $55 straight across the board. My dream is to restock 3 times. On our 3rd restock, it's going to be the biggest restock, and that is where we'll be going global. So this has been my vision for POMI since I got it back a couple months ago, and it's full steam ahead. So again, you know me, I promote shit, you know, so I have a small amount of belts. Once that is sold, even though it's so small, it's a big deal, because these selling out, it sets the table, you know. This is our form, whose art is for high maintenance. This white one, the red one is not so high maintenance. I'm wearing it. Yay! I love this bag. I love how it looks. It just looks nice and like casual, no makeup, just bag. Sure. Alright guys, I'm going to make Irish coffee, and I hear that you need rum. So we're gonna choose. Me do want to get the rum cream, but it's not gonna be Irish coffee. I'm gonna like white rum. It make me nauseous. So auntie, this is first. This cheaper, 600 and add. Okay. How much for that again? 600. Let me use my card to fit it. I'll go through. I can try using the card and see what happens. I'm laughing at the and I giggle and all them things if the card now. Just give me small. Give me on the side. Which card that again? If it not got you, nobody make no alarm. Just give me the card nice and pretty and smile, yeah? And make me feel good. Got you? Alright. That is good. Amazing. I'm a bad liquor. Look at that. I don't know where it is. I woke up this morning and I wasn't in my nose. That's why I had to have this big long dirty stinking nose and we're in down like boo boo, because it have the flats up underneath it, so I can't lose my nose rings. When I lost this one. God damn, I lost this one. I don't know where to find it. I have more nose rings. I have a crap ton of nose rings, so I have to look for my nose ring stuff. Because these days I haven't. I'm finna do this voiceover and see where my day goes. Well, I've been to be filming today. I really should have scheduled everything that I have to do today. I guess if I can make a phone call. So I took off the gloss and I took out the other earring because I never like it. It look weird, but I really like my outfit. It's very, and then this is so big in my face, it's shielding the sun. It's pretty cool. I like what I'm wearing. And also I have something to say, and it may seem like I'm being petty. I don't want it to be what it can come off petty, but I made mention of it and I want to say it again. Let's look beyond what is traditionally beautiful or traditionally like sexy or body or that bitch or whatever the terminology or phrase is these days. I just feel like you should just be you, isn't it? And you shouldn't let things dictate like your emotions. It's something that I'm learning because I'm thinking about the wigs now, and I'm thinking if I did not being, and I know it sounds weird, but not having a wig for so long, it does something to you. It's like, am I even worth it? No, I'm telling you, which is why instead of having those emotions and staying with it, this is why I live the life that I live, and that's why it seems so rebellious, because alright, I'm not even move on and it would seem nonchalant, but I'm actively choosing to not let something bother me that would typically bother me or stress me that would typically stress me. It's just an aggressive choice. That's just the truth. read tomorrow. Tomorrow I have a very long day, and I'll get more into it. But boy, I screwed it up, man. I screwed up my days so badly. I think I mentioned it, but I screwed it up. So yeah, so we're heading out, looking how we looking, and yeah, gonna get some chores done. Yeah, not chores, errands. Yo, the car is coming. What am I telling you? Say, once I sell out those, I almost said the figure, those belts. Once these first batch sell off, I'm telling you. Oh, sorry. Everything is set. Everything.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Lord Jesus. Look at my oven. No matter you're not getting here. But yeah, even like what I'm wearing, it's so strange. I always thought that if I were wearing horny clothes, like showing my skin, that men would call to me, oh no, bitch. I really think it's what it exudes. Or maybe it's how I look, or maybe it's the type of clothes, because I wear a lot of skin tight clothes. Or clothes like these, like Batty Rider and a t-shirt. Is in me, or Batty Rider and a crop top. But to me, this is like just boring stuff. Let me have on like one old clothes, all this, and I don't know, I guess the person in the clothes when they come down to it more while. Oh, one bus. I'm gonna take the bus to go up. Yeah, I'm gonna make the bus to miss me a blood cleanse. I'm gonna take it go up.
Oh, no, no, oh, no, no, baby. Oh, no, no, oh, no, no.